Hey everyone, how's it going? So for today's video, I would like to show you guys how to draw a simple cartoon version of Godzilla breathing fire into the air. Now, to begin this, we're going to start with the eye. So starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down at an angle and then kind of curves like this. Next, you're going to start here and you're going to draw a line that just kind of curves right around like this for the eyeball. Then underneath there, I'm going to add an extra little line. Starting here, I'm going to continue this curved line and I'm going to curve it around here and then bring it to about there. And that's going to be the back of the head. Then starting at this line right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then it's going to kind of curve around. And then I'm going to make a big sad face, or big happy face, I should say, like this. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to come around like this for the mouth. Then right here, I'm going to add a little curved line, and then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves out like this. Then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes down, and it's just going to curve like this for the body. Then starting here, I'm going to add a couple little lines like this. Just kind of go down and curve in. And then I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve out and then come down to here. Now, right here we want to make the leg. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. Then I'm going to add two little lines like this. And I'm going to make a line that goes down and then comes back here for one toe. And then another one right here. Then I'm just going to curve this line around and then bring it up to here. Then right here I'm going to draw another line that's just going to kind of curve down. Once again, put two of those little lines like I did there. And then just kind of curve down, and I'm just going to bring this one all the way to here. Now right here, I'm going to put a little line, and then I'm just going to draw a long line that's going to curve up like this. It's going to be rounded at the end, and then it's going to come all the way back to here. And that's going to be his little tail. Now right here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around like this. I'm going to put three little claws on it, so I'm going to go down and come up. One more here, and then one more right here. Then I'm going to put a little curve on here. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it back around here for the arm. Now for his little spikes. So we're just going to keep these really simple, and I'm just going to make some kind of like pointy lines like this. I'm just going to put like two short ones and then one big one in the middle. So I'm just going to draw these all the way along here. And as I go down the tail, I'm just going to make them a little bit smaller. Now, inside of his mouth, I'm going to draw some little teeth. So just kind of make some little triangle shapes. And then right in here, I'm going to draw a little curved line. And then I'm going to draw another one, and I'm going to color it in for his pupil. Then I'm going to make a little line like this that just kind of curves back for his nose. Then just for some details, I'm going to add a couple little extra lines around the arms. I'm going to kind of curve his leg back a little bit, put an extra line there. And then I'm just going to add a couple little lines onto each one of his spikes. Put about three little lines on there. These small ones, you won't really be able to fit much in there. Then I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a little line that goes down here, and it's going to go all the way to the tail. And then I'm just going to add some little curved lines around here and continue them on the tail. And then right here on the feet, I'm just going to add some little curves for his claws. And now the final thing is we want to draw the fire. So we're just going to keep it real simple. We're just going to make a little squiggly line that goes all the way to the top. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon Godzilla breathing fire in the air. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.